queens. Welcome back to the Flawlessly Pampered channel, where little girls become queens and grown queens stay polished. I am so excited to be back, and I cannot think of a better way to return than with a video that sets the tone for everything that we do here. Today, we are talking about your morning routine and why I call it your crown routine. Because the way you start your morning, it tells the world, and more importantly, it tells you exactly who you are. So if you're ready to walk in your crown every single day, stay right here. Let's get into it. Let me ask you something. Have you ever woken up late, skipped breakfast, couldn't find your shoes, and then walked into school or your day already feeling behind? Yeah, we've all been there. And the whole rest of the day just felt off. That's not a coincidence. Your morning sets your mindset. It's like tuning an instrument before a concert. If you skip the tuning, the whole performance suffers. Now flip it. Think about a morning where you woke up, you had time, you felt good in what you had on, you ate something, and you walked out the door feeling ready. Different energy, right? Queens. That second feeling, that's what a crown routine does for you. And the best part is, it doesn't have to be complicated or take hours. It just has to be intentional. That's our word for today, intentional. Doing things on purpose with purpose. I'm going to walk you through 5 steps that every queen should have in her morning. Write these down if you need to. I'll go slow. Step 1, rise with gratitude. Before you even pick up your phone, before you scroll, before anything, take about 30 seconds and think of one thing you're grateful for. It could be your bed, your family, a new day. This one tiny habit shifts your brain from morning to, okay, I've got something good going on. Queens don't start their day in complaint mode, they start in gratitude mode. Step 2, move your body. You don't need a whole workout. Stretch. Do 5 jumping jacks. Dance to one song in your room. Moving your body wakes up your mind and tells your nervous system, we're ready, we're alive, let's go. Even 2 or 3 minutes of movement changes everything. Step 3, clean your crown. Literally, this is the self-care step. And you know I love this one. Wash your face, brush your teeth, handle your hair. Now listen, this isn't about looking perfect for other people. This is about showing up for yourself. When you take care of your body in the morning, you send yourself a message. I matter. I'm worth the effort. That confidence carries into everything else you do that day. Step 4, feed your body like a queen. Queens do not skip breakfast. I know. Mornings can be rushed, but even a piece of fruit, some toast, a yogurt, a smoothie, something. Your brain needs fuel to focus, to learn, to be sharp. You wouldn't send your phone out with a dead battery, so don't send yourself out running on empty either. Step 5, set your intention for the day. This is my favorite one. Before you walk out that door, say one thing out loud or in your head about who you're going to be today. It can sound like, today I'm going to be kind, or today I'm going to be brave, or even just, today I am enough. This is your crown going on. You're putting it on before you ever leave the house. Now, I want to be honest with you because I love keeping it real on this channel. Some mornings are going to be hard. You're going to be tired. You might be running late. Life happens. But here's what I want you to remember. A crown routine is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even if you only get through 2 or 3 of these steps on a rough morning, that still counts. You still showed up for yourself. And that matters. Start small. Pick just one of these 5 steps and do it every morning for a week. Just one. Then add another. Build it like a habit, not like a chore. Before you know it, it'll just be a part of who you are. A queen who takes care of herself on purpose. All right, queens, this is your crown routine. 5 steps. Gratitude, movement, clean up, fuel up, and set your attention. Screenshot this, write it down, put it on your mirror, whatever helps you remember. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share with a friend who needs to hear it. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you want to go even deeper with your confidence, your poise, and your self-care, I want to tell you about my Walking Your Crown program. It's an in-person workshop designed specifically for girls just like you. The link is right in the description below. Until next time, stand tall, walk proud, and never forget your crown is already on. See you next video. Bye, Queens.